was one of the outstanding leaders of our communist movement. He belonged to the new generation of leaders. In fact, his active political organizational work started as part of the Students' Federation of India. When we were elected in its partner All India Conference, third SFI All India Conference, held in 1979, where Prakash Karat stepped down, and Nepal Bhattacharya, Sitaram, Saifuddin Chowdhury, then Sohail Hashmi from Delhi, who is the younger brother of martyr Safdar Hashmi. So we were elected as a core team to work from Delhi. It was during that time the exploits of Sitaram Yechury was made known to the party leadership. He worked as the editor of Student Struggle, and during Sitaram Yechury's editorship, Student Struggle became one of the valued publications in our country. For example, he insisted that we should cover science. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, there was an article by Professor Rajendra Prasad. Then he himself interviewed internationally renowned filmmaker Thomas Elia. This is what brought Sitaram, I think, to the attention of leaders like EMS, B.T. Ranadive, Basopannaya, Surjit. They were working from All India Party Center. So they were naturally very senior. They were looking for comrades who can shoulder the responsibility of building Communist Party in future. So they picked him up. They made him an invitee to the party central committee. Then he inducted him as a member of the Central Secretariat. Then in 1992, when the 14th Party Congress was held in Chennai, Soviet Union got disintegrated. There was a setback in East Europe. So there was a very, very historically important ideological resolution to be discussed in Chennai Congress, 1992. EMS was there, Basopannaya was there, such tall leaders were there, Jyoti Basu was there. But it was Sitaram Yechury, a 40-year-old new entrant into the party leadership, who was chosen to introduce that document. We were present there. Sitaram was diffident. He told me. He asked Basopannaya, he is a well-known ideologue, MB, why don't you do that? Why are you? MB said, no, Sitaram, when we are all alive and around, we should see how you will function. So you confidently do it. He successfully did. I don't want to go into all personal relations. We were comrades in arms. We were working together. We have had a lot of personal moments. For example, in 1980, he visited my home district, Kollam, to participate in the state SFI conference. After that, when I asked him to stay with me for a couple of days more, he obliged. Then, there is an Ashtamudi lake. It's a backwater. So there in shallow places, in the night you can go for fish hunting with a sharp instrument. So he said that he would like to try. So both of us went and we hunted crab, various fishes of Ashtamudi lake. We cooked it with the help of the family members. So he always relished. He used to ask when we can do it again. We could not do that. Then there is also this incident of Fidel Castro coming to Havana airport when Jyoti Basu and Sitaram Yechury visited Cuba. They had long discussion. So during the discussion, in between, Sitaram will go out. What for? Can you guess? To smoke. So Fidel noticed it. So they had, Jyoti Basu had the meeting. Sitaram was there to assist him. So when they were to board the flight from Havana airport, the international department comrade said, you wait for some more time. Then came Fidel rushing. Fidel told Jyoti Basu that you are 7 times Cuba. That is how Fidel speaks. Because the population of West Bengal was 7 times that of Cuba. Cuba is 1 crore and all. So I have to respect you. Then I said, I want to give your young comrade, smoker, best Cuban cigar. Then Fidel took out a box of cigar and gave to Sitaram Yechury. So there are many such stories about him. We will miss him. It is hard responsibility for the party to face the situation with his void.
What is his further program? Because
From All India Institute of Medical Sciences, his body will be received by his family and it will be taken to Vasanta Kunj. So the body would remain with the family for the entire this evening and entire night. Chief Minister of Kerala would also be coming in the afternoon. He would also be going to the AMS to hand over the body to their family. Tomorrow morning, after 10 o'clock, the body would be brought here. From 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 3:30, the body would be here for public viewing and paying homage. Then it would be taken out. We will move by foot up to 14 Ashoka Road, where our party central committee worked. From there, we will move in vehicles to All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And as per the wishes of Sitaram and his wife and the party, the body would be handed over to All India Institute of Medical Sciences. He wanted his body even to be used by society, medical students to do research and learning. This is the entire program. For 1 week, party red flag would be held half-mast. For 3 days, throughout the country, there would be mourning. That means no other party activity or function would be there. This is what we have decided.